Dhwajank division. First example is 343.161 divided by 5.6. See, both of these numbers, dividend and divisor, contain decimal places. So what to do? See, divisor contains one decimal place. Friends, convert this divisor 5.6 into whole number. See, how do we write dividend and divisor? 343.161 upon 5.6. Let us shift this decimal point rightwards by one place. 343. Let us shift this decimal point rightwards. So write 1 in integer part, give decimal point and write 61. 5 and 6. We have shifted decimal point. See this decimal point rightwards by one place. So 56 is whole number now. Let us use these two numbers, dividend 3431.61 and divisor 56. Let us use Dhwajank division to divide. Okay. So let us first write dividend 3431.61. What is divisor? Divisor is 56. Let us bifurcate divisor 56 in two parts, 5 actual divisor and 6 Dhwajank. That means flag digit. Let us make this 5 tens place digit 5 an actual divisor, and let us make units place digit 6 in the divisor a flag digit. Let us write actual divisor 5 and let us write 6 at the level of this dividend. Let us draw lines to separate dividend and divisor. Yes. Now drawing decimal line. See friends, important note, important point. Whenever dividend contains decimal places, while drawing decimal line, neglect decimal part of dividend and consider integer part only. See, let me repeat. While drawing decimal line, neglect decimal part of dividend and consider integer part only. What is integer part? 3431 is an integer part. How many digits are there in the flag? See, this 6 is flag and this 5 is an actual divisor. How many digits are there in the flag? Only one digit. So, leave one digit from right side and draw decimal line. Leave one digit from right side and draw decimal line so that number of digits in the flag and number of digits at the right side of decimal line will be equal. So there is one digit at the right side of decimal line and there is one digit in the flag. Now friends, let us start actual division process. Step number 1. Starting from left side, consider first digit 3. 3 is less than actual divisor 5. So join this second digit from left side to this 3. Now we have 34. Divide 34 by actual divisor 5. Which gives us quotient how much? 5 6 are 30 and remainder is 4. Write quotient 6 below 34 and write remainder 4 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend. Now these two digits 4 and 3, read this as 43. This 43 is gross dividend. Now let us calculate net dividend out of this gross dividend 43. 43 minus, subtract product of flag digit and recent quotient digit. We need one quotient digit. We need one recent quotient digit. Why? Because there is only one digit in the flag. Calculate product of flag digit and recent quotient digit, which is 6 multiplied by 6. 43 minus 36. 43 minus 36 is 4 plus 3, 7. The 7 is net dividend. Now divide net dividend 7 by actual divisor 5, which gives you quotient 1 and remainder 2. 5 ones are 5, 7 minus 5 is 2. So write quotient 1 and remainder 2. Write quotient 1 below gross dividend 43 and write remainder 2. Yes, write remainder 2 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend. Now read these two digits 2 and 1, 21. 21 is next gross dividend, new gross dividend. Let us calculate net dividend out of this gross dividend 21. So friends, please pause video and write these two steps. Okay. Step number 3. Gross dividend 21 minus product of flag digit and recent quotient digit. Now this second quotient digit 1 will become recent quotient digit. So 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 21 minus 6 ones are 6. 21 minus 6 is 15. 15 is net dividend. 15 is net dividend. Divide net dividend 15 by actual divisor 5, which gives us quotient 3. 5 3s are 15, and so remainder will become 0. So write quotient 3 below gross dividend 21 and write remainder 0 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend, which is 6. Now the 6, 06 means 6. The 6 is next gross dividend. Let us calculate net dividend. So step number 4 is 6 minus product of 6 and recent quotient digit 3. Product of flag digit 6 and recent quotient digit 3. So 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 minus 18 is negative 12. Net dividend is negative, which we don't want. We don't want net dividend negative. So reduce last quotient digit by 1. See, when we get net dividend negative, it means that we have divided in excess in the last step. So let us reduce last quotient digit 3 by 1 and let us write 2 here. And at the same time, let us increase remainder 0 by value of divisor. What is divisor? 5. So 0 plus 5 is 5. Let us cancel this remainder 0. Now read these two digits 5 and 6 as 56. 56 is new gross dividend. Now friends, let us calculate net dividend by repeating this step. 56 minus 6 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 56. See, recent quotient digit is 2, so I have written 2 here. 56 minus 6 2s are 12, which gives us 4. 44 is net dividend. Now let us divide 44 by actual divisor 5, which gives us quotient 5 8s are 40. Quotient is 8 and remainder is 4. Write quotient 8 and remainder 4. Write quotient 8 and write remainder 4 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend, which is 1. Now read this as 41. This 41 is new gross dividend. So friends, please pause video and write these two steps. Yes. Okay. See, step number 5. Gross dividend 41 minus product of flag digit and recent quotient digit. Flag is 6 and recent quotient digit is 8, which is equal to 6 8s are 48. 41 minus 48 is equal to negative 7. Negative 7 is net dividend. We don't want net dividend negative. So let us reduce last quotient digit by 1 and write 7 here. At the same time, increase remainder 4 by value of divisor. What is divisor? 5. So 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is remainder. Read 9 and 1 as 91 and 91 is gross dividend. Now let us repeat same step with new values. Instead 41 we are going to write 91 now. 91 minus, instead 6 multiplied by 8 we will write 6 multiplied by 7. See, we have reduced this 8 by 1, which is equal to 91 minus 6 sevens are 42. So 91 minus 42 is 91 minus 40, 51 minus 2, 49. 49 is net dividend. Divide 49 by 5. Divide 49 by 5, which gives us quotient. 5 nines are 45. Remainder is 4. 5 nines are 45. 49 minus 45, 4. Write quotient 9 and remainder 4. Write quotient 9 below gross dividend 91. And now where to write remainder 4? Increase 1 0. Increase 1 0. We want more decimal places, so we can increase 0. We can increase 0. Increase 0 means we will write 0 at the right side of given dividend, right? So, write remainder 4. Write remainder 4 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend, which is 0, which we just have written here. Now read this as 40 and 40 is gross dividend now. So friends, please write this fifth step. Okay, step number 6, gross dividend 40 minus, what we are going to do? We are going to calculate net dividend out of this gross dividend 40. 40 minus product of 6 and 9, which is equal to 40 minus 6 nines are 54, okay, which is equal to minus 14. Net dividend, again net dividend is negative, which we don't want. So reduce last quotient digit by 1, instead 9, write 8 here. And at the same time, increase this remainder 4 by the value of divisor. Value of divisor is 5. So 4 plus 5, 9. 9. Let me cancel this 4. Now read these two digits 9 and 0 as 90. Okay, 90 is new gross dividend, and with this new gross dividend, let us repeat this step. Instead 40, we will write 90. Okay, minus 6 multiplied by 8. Instead this 9, we will write 8 here. So 90 minus 6 8s are 48, which is equal to 90 minus 40, 50, 50 minus 8, 42. 42 is net dividend, positive net dividend. So let us divide 42 by actual divisor 5, which gives us quotient. 5 8s are 40. Remainder is 2. So quotient 8 and remainder 2. Where to write remainder? Let us increase 1 0 again. Remainder is 2. So write remainder 2 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend, which is 0, which we just have written here. Now read this as 20. 20 is new gross dividend, next gross dividend. So step number 7, 20 gross dividend 20 minus what to subtract? Product of flag digit and last quotient digit, recent quotient digit. 6 multiplied by 8. 6 multiplied by 8, which is equal to 20 minus 6 8s are 48, which gives us minus 28. Minus 28 is net dividend, which we don't want. So let us reduce last quotient digit 8 by 1 and write 7 here. And at the same time, let us increase the value of remainder by the value of actual divisor 5. So 2 plus 5, 7. Cancel this 2 and write 7 here. Now new gross dividend is 70. Now let us repeat same step. instead 20, let us write 70, and instead 6 multiplied by 8, let us write 6 multiplied by 7, which gives us 70 minus 6 sevens are 42, which gives us 70 minus 40, 30 minus 2, 28. 28. 28 is positive net dividend, and let us divide 28 by 5. 28 divided by actual divisor 5, which gives us quotient 5 and remainder 3. Right? Quotient 5 and remainder 3. Let us write quotient 5, below gross dividend 70, and what is remainder? Remainder is 3. Increase 1 0 and write remainder 3 as a prefix to next digit, which is 0. Right? Now this is 30. Now friends, we have already calculated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 decimal places. Now let us write final answer. Final answer is quotient is 61 point. See, decimal line. In place of decimal line, let us give a decimal point here and write these decimal digits as it is. Write 2, write 7, write 8, write 7. If we need 4 decimal places, then we generally calculate till 5th decimal place. So no need to write this 5. Let us write these 4 decimal places only. So quotient is 61.2787. Second example, 56,875 divided by 32.5. See friends, divisor containing decimal place. So first of all, let us convert this divisor having decimal place into a whole number. Okay, see, 5, 6, 8, 7, 5 is dividend and 32.5 is divisor. Now let us shift. See, watch this divisor 32.5. Let us shift this decimal point rightwards by one place, so that given divisor 32.5 will become 325, and at the same time we will write 1 0 as a rightmost digit in the dividend. Now this dividend has become 5,68,750 and divisor has become 325. Now let us divide 5,68,750 by 325. Okay. Now divisor is 325. Let us bifurcate given divisor 325 in 2 parts. Let us make these 2 digits units place digit and tens place digit flag digits, and let us make hundreds place digit 3 an actual divisor. So first of all, write this dividend and let us write divisor. Let us write flag digits 2 and 5 at the level of this dividend. See, this is flag and this is actual divisor. Right? Now count the number of digits in the flag. How many digits are there? 2 digits. Draw decimal line after 2 digits from right side, so that number of digits in the flag and number of digits at the right side of this decimal line will be equal. Now let us start division process. Step number 1. Starting from left side, consider 5, leftmost digit 5. 5 divided by, divide leftmost digit 5 by actual divisor 3, which gives us quotient 1 and remainder 2. Write quotient 1 below 5 and write remainder 2 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend. Now 26 is gross dividend. Read this 2 and 6 as 26. 26 is gross dividend. Let us calculate in the step number 2. Let us calculate net dividend. 26 minus cross product of flag digits and last two quotient digits. What are flag digits? 2 and 5. 25 is flag. And what are last two quotient digits? 0, 1. See, this is first quotient digit. So I have written 0 here, which gives us how much? 26 minus, see, cross product. 1 2s are 2. 26 minus 2, 24. 24 is net dividend. 24 is net dividend. Now divide 24 by actual divisor 3, which gives you quotient. 3 8s are 24. Remainder is 0. So write 8 below gross dividend 26 and write remainder 0 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend, which is 8. Right? Now this 8 is gross dividend, and let us calculate net dividend. See friends, pause video and write these two steps. Step number 3, let us calculate net dividend. 8 minus, see, 8 is gross dividend, subtract cross product of flag digits and last two quotient digits. Flag digits are 2 and 5 and last two quotient digits are 1 and 8. Cross product 8 minus 8 2s are 16 plus 1 5s are 5, which gives us 8 minus, see, this is 8. 16 plus 5, 21, which gives us how much? 13, but negative 13. Negative 13 is net dividend, which we don't want. We don't want net dividend negative. When you get net dividend negative, it means that in the last step you have divided in excess. So let us reduce last quotient digit by 1. Instead 8, let us write 7 here, and let us increase at the same time, let us increase last remainder by the value of divisor. So 0 plus 3 is 3. Let us cancel this 0 and write 3 here. Now 38 is new gross dividend. Let us calculate net dividend. 38 minus 1 7. Let us calculate cross product and subtract. 38 minus 7 2s are 14 plus 1 5 5, which gives us 38 minus 14 plus 5, 19. So 19, 38 minus 19 is 19. 19 is net dividend. So let us divide net dividend 19 by actual divisor 3, which gives us quotient. How much? 3 6 are 18 and remainder is 1. So write quotient 6 and remainder 1. Write quotient 6 below gross dividend 38 and write remainder 1 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend. Now this 17 is gross dividend. Friends, please pause video and write this third step. Okay, fourth step. Gross dividend 17 minus cross product of two flag digits and last two quotient digits. Which are last two quotient digits? 7 and 6. 7 and 6. Cross product, which gives us 17 minus 6 2s are 12 plus 7 5s are 35, which is equal to 17 minus 35 plus 12. 7 and 4. Yes, in this step also we are going to get net dividend negative. 30 minus 30 is net dividend, negative net dividend, which we don't want. So let us reduce last quotient digit by 1 and write 5 here. Cancel 6 and write 5 here. And at the same time increase the value of last remainder by the value of actual divisor. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Cancel this 1. See, when you say that increasing the value of remainder by value of divisor, what you are exactly going to do? You are adding actual divisor 3 to the last remainder. Now read this as 47. 47 is gross dividend, new gross dividend. Minus, what we are going to do? We are going to calculate net dividend. 47 minus cross product of two flag digits and last two quotient digits 7 and 5, which gives us 47 minus 2 5s are 10 plus 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35, which gives us 47 minus 45, which gives us 2. Positive net dividend. So let us divide 2 by actual divisor 3. So 2 divided by 3 gives us quotient, of course 0, and remainder will be 2. So write quotient 0 and remainder 2. Write quotient 0 below gross dividend 47 and write remainder 2 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend, which is 5. Now read this as 25. 25 is gross dividend. So friends, please pause video and write fourth step. I am going to clean it now. Okay. Step number 5. Gross dividend 25 minus cross product of two flag digits 2 and 5 and two last quotient digits 5 and 0. 5 and 0, which gives us 25 minus 0 to 0, 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 25, 0. 0 is net dividend. It's okay if net dividend is 0. So divide 0 by actual divisor 3, which gives you quotient 0 and remainder 0. So write quotient 0 below gross dividend 25 and write remainder 0 as a prefix to the next digit in the dividend, which is 0 only. So gross dividend is 0. So let us calculate net dividend out of this gross dividend. So step number 6. Gross dividend 0 minus cross product of flag digits 2 and 5 and last two quotient digits 0 0. See, last two quotient digits 1 and 2, which gives us 0 minus 0 2 0 0 5 0 0. 0 is net dividend. Divide net dividend 0 by actual divisor 3, which gives us quotient 0 and remainder 0. So write quotient 0 and remainder 0. Let us increase 1 0 and write remainder 0 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend. Now friends, here we will have to stop division process because we will get quotient digits 0 0 0 0 and 0 if we continue this division, because in this step if we calculate net dividend will be 0 because last two quotient digits are zeros. Last two quotient digits are 0 and 0. So we are going to get net dividend 0. And if you divide net dividend 0 by actual divisor 3, definitely you are going to get quotient 0 and remainder 0. So no point in dividing further. So let us stop division process and write final answer. Final answer is, see, let me write final answer. Quotient is 175000. 175000. 17500. Now decimal line. 1 2 3 4. After 4 digits from left side, you are going to give decimal point. See, this decimal line is after 4 digits. So let us count 4 digits from left side and give a decimal point. 1 2 3 4. Give decimal point here. So 1750.00. It means 1750 is answer. Next example. Third example. 27 divided by 213. 27 is dividend and 213 is divisor. So let us write 27 here. 27 is dividend. And what is divisor? divisor is 213. Friends, let us bifurcate this divisor in two parts, 2 and 13, where 2 is an actual divisor and 13 is flag. 2 is an actual divisor and two digits 1 and 3, tens place digit 1 and units place digit 3, flag digits. So let us write 2 here and 13 at the level of this dividend. Next important step, count the number of digits in the flag. How many digits? 2 digits. So count same number of digits from right side in the dividend and draw decimal line. See, 1 and 2. There are 2 digits in the flag and there should be 2 digits at the right side of decimal line. Let me repeat. There are 2 digits in the flag, so there should be 2 digits at the right side of this decimal line. Right? Now there's nothing here, so write 0 here. Now friends, let us start actual division process. Step number 1. Write 0 as it is in the quotient area, because there's no point in dividing 0. Now second digit from left side. What is that digit? 2. Divide this 2 by actual divisor 2, which gives us quotient 1 and remainder 0. Write quotient 1 below this 2 and write remainder 0 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend. Now read this 0 and 7 as 7, and this 7 is gross dividend. Now friends, let us calculate net dividend from this gross dividend. 7 is gross dividend. Let us subtract product of flag digits and last 2 quotient digits. Why 2 quotient digits? Because there are 2 digits in the flag and we will need 2 last quotient digits. Why last 2 quotient digits? Because there are 2 digits in the flag, and to calculate cross product we need last 2 quotient digits. Right? So write 13 and write 0, 1, which gives us 7 minus 1 multiplied by 1, 1, 0, 3, 0. 7 minus 1, 6. The 6 is net dividend. Now friends, divide net dividend 6 by actual divisor 2, which gives us quotient 3 and remainder 0. Write quotient 3 and remainder 0. Write quotient 3 below gross dividend 7 and write remainder 0. Where to write? We need decimal places more than 2. So let us increase 1 0 here. Let us write 0 here. And let us write 0, remainder 0 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend, which is 0, which we just have written here. Now 0 is gross dividend. Let us calculate net dividend. So please pause video and write these 2 steps. Yes. Step number 3. What is gross dividend? 0. Minus what to subtract? Cross product of flag digits and last 2 quotient digits. 13, 13, which gives us 0 minus 3 1s are 3, 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 3, 6, which is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 is net dividend, but we don't want net dividend negative. So let us reduce last quotient digit by 1 and write 2 here. 3 minus 1, 2. See, when we get net dividend negative, it means that in the last step we have divided in excess. At such time we reduce last quotient digit by 1, and at the same time we increase the value of remainder by the value of divisor. What is remainder? 0. What is divisor? 2. So 0 plus 2, 2. So cancel this 0 and write 2 here. Now 20 is gross dividend. Let us repeat this step with new gross dividend. 20 minus 13 and 12. See, be aware, don't write this 3 because we have reduced this 3 by 1. Okay, which is equal to 20 minus 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3s are 3. which gives us 20 minus 5, 15. 15 is net dividend, positive. So let us divide 15 by actual divisor 2, which gives us quotient 2 sevens are 14 and remainder 1. So let us write 7 below gross dividend 20 and let us write remainder 1. Where to write? For that we will have to increase 1 0. Now we are going to calculate fourth decimal place in answer. Right? So let us write remainder 1 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend, which is 0, which just have been written. Now this 10 is next gross dividend. Let us calculate net dividend, but let us first write this step by pausing video. Okay. Step number 4. Gross dividend 10 minus cross product of flag digits and last two quotient digits. Which are last two quotient digits? 2 and 7 are last two quotient digits. So let us write 2 and 7 here, which gives us 10 minus cross product 7 ones are 7 plus 2 3s are 6, which gives us 6 plus 7 13. 10 minus 13 minus 3. Again net dividend is negative. So let us reduce last quotient digit by 1. Cancel 7 and write 6. And at the same time increase the value of divisor by the value of, and at the same time increase the value of remainder by value of divisor. Cancel this 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 remainder 1 plus actual divisor 2 is 3. Now this 30 is gross dividend, and let us repeat the same step with new gross dividend. So write 30 here, 30 minus cross product of flag digits and last two quotient digits. Last two quotient digits are 2 and 6. Calculate cross product and subtract. 30 minus 6 ones are 6 plus 2 3s are 6, which gives us 30 minus 12, 18. 18 is net dividend and positive. So let us divide 18 by actual divisor 2, which gives us quotient 9, remainder 0. So let us write quotient 9 and remainder 0. Let us write quotient digit 9 below gross dividend 30, and where to write remainder 0? Let us increase 1 0. Now we are going to calculate fifth decimal point. So let us write remainder 0 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend, which is 0. We just have written now. Now gross dividend is 0, and let us calculate net dividend. First of all, write this fourth step by pausing video. Yes, fifth step is gross dividend 0 minus cross product of flag digits and last two quotient digits 6 and 9. 6 and 9. 0 minus 9 plus 18. Yes, negative net dividend. So let us reduce 9 by 1 and write 8 here, and at the same time increase the value of remainder by the value of divisor. Cancel 0 and write 2. Now gross dividend is 20. With this new gross dividend, let us repeat the same step. 20 minus 13 and 6 8, which gives us, calculate cross product, 20 minus 8 ones are 8 plus 6 3s are 18, negative 6. 20 minus 8 plus 18, 26. 20 minus 26, negative 6. Again net dividend is negative. It means that we have divided in the last step in excess. Again we will have to reduce last quotient digit by 1. Cancel this 8 and write 7. At the same time increase the value of remainder by value of divisor. Cancel this 2 and write 4 here. Why 4? Because when we increase the value of remainder by the value of divisor, we add 2, actual divisor 2, to the last remainder. What is last remainder or remainder in the last step? 2. add actual divisor 2 to this remainder 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So write 4 here. Now 40 is new gross dividend. And with this new gross dividend, let us calculate net dividend. 40 minus cross product of flag digits and last two quotient digits, 6 and 7. 40 minus 7 ones are 7 plus 6 threes are 18, which is equal to 40 minus 18 plus 7, 25. 40 minus 25, 15. 15 is net dividend, positive net dividend. So let us divide 15 by actual divisor 2, which gives us quotient 7 and remainder 1. 2 sevens are 14, 15 minus 14, remainder 1. So write quotient 7 and remainder 1. So write quotient 7 below gross dividend 40 and remainder 1. Remainder 1 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend. Let me write 1 here. See friends, we have calculated the decimal places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 decimal places, but value of fifth decimal place 7 is not adjusted, perhaps is not adjusted to its correct value, because in this step if net dividend is negative, then we will have to go on reducing the value of this quotient digit 7 till net dividend becomes positive. So let us not write this 7 in our final answer. Let us write these 4 digits only, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let us write final answer. What is final answer? Quotient is equal to 0. See this decimal line, you have to give decimal point in place of this decimal line. Okay, so 0.1267. 1267. See friends, this is answer. Fourth example, 39,675 divided by 9,825. Let us first write given dividend 3, 9, 6, 7, 5. And what is divisor? Divisor is 9, 8, 2, 5. 9,825. Now friends, see these two digits 9 and 8 are bigger digits. So let us convert this number into a vinculum number. 9, 8, 2, 5. Now how to convert normal number into vinculum number? Which is the previous digit to bigger digit 9? There's nothing, so we can write 0 here. Apply ekadhikena purvena and add 1 to the previous digit. Previous to what? Previous to bigger digit. So 0 plus 1, 1. This is the application of ekadhikena purvena. Now Nikhilam Navatah Charamam Dashatah, all from 9 and last from 10. Which is last bigger digit in the given number? This 8 is last bigger digit in the given number. So 9 minus 9, 0, and 10 minus 8, 2. Change sign. Make this 2 negative and write this 2 and 5 as it is. Now 10,225 with middle digit 2 negative is divisor, right? Now let us bifurcate given divisor in two parts. Let us make this 10 an actual divisor and let this 2 to 5 flag digits. Okay, so 10 and negative 2, 2 and 5 is flag. So let us write 10 here and let us write negative 2, 2 and 5 at the level of this dividend. See, this is flag and this is an actual divisor. Now let us start actual division process, but let us first draw decimal line. How do we draw decimal line? Let us first count the number of digits in the flag. How many digits? 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 digits in the flag. Let us leave 3 digits from right side, 1, 2, 3, and draw decimal line. What is importance of this decimal line? At the right side of this decimal line, means in this part, we get decimal places. Right? Now, step number 1. Let us start actual division process. Step number 1. Divide 3 by actual divisor 10. Not possible because 10 is greater than 3. So let us join this 9, second digit from right side, to this first digit. Now we have 39. Divide 39 by 10, which gives us quotient 3 and remainder 9. So write 3 below 39 and write remainder 9 as a prefix to next digit, which is 6. Now read this as 96. So step number 2, 96. 96 is gross dividend. 96 is gross dividend. So let us calculate net dividend. How do we calculate net dividend? We subtract cross product of these flag digits and last quotient digits. So how many digits are there in the flag? 3 digits. So we need last 3 quotient digits. So let us first write -2, 2 and 5. And let us write last 3 quotient digits. This is first quotient digit. So let us assume that there are 2 zeros. So let us write 0, 0 and 3. Calculate cross product. Calculate cross product. 96 minus 3 multiplied by -2, -6, plus 0 and 0. So let me write 0 here. Okay. So 96 minus -6, that means 96 plus 6. 96 plus 6 is equal to 102 plus 102. Right? So this is net dividend. This is net dividend. Now let us divide 102 net dividend by an actual divisor 10, which gives us quotient 10 and remainder 2. So let us write quotient 10 below gross dividend 96, and let us write remainder 2 as a prefix to next digit, which is 27. Now 27 is gross dividend. 27 is gross dividend. Now let us calculate net dividend from this 27. But let us first write these 2 steps by pausing video. Okay. So step number 3. 27 minus cross product of 3 flag digits and last 3 quotient digits 0, 3 and 10. Let us calculate cross product and subtract that cross product from 27. So which is equal to 27 minus 10 multiplied by -2, that is -20, plus 0, right? Plus 0 plus 3 2s are 6, which is equal to -20 plus 6 minus 14. 27 minus -14, which gives us 27 plus 14 minus plus, which is equal to 27 plus 10, 37 plus 4, 41. 41. Right? So 41 is net dividend. 41 is net dividend, and let us now divide 41 by 10, an actual divisor 10, which gives us quotient 4 and remainder 1. So let us write quotient 4 and remainder 1. Let us write quotient 4 below gross dividend 27, and let us write remainder 1 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend, which is 5. Now read this as 15. Read this as 15, and this is next gross dividend. Now we are going to calculate net dividend. So let us write this third step. Yes. Fourth step. 15, gross dividend 15 minus 2, 2, 5, 3, 10 and 4. Let us calculate net dividend. Let us calculate cross product and subtract it from 15. So 15 minus 4 multiplied by -2, -8, plus 3 5s are 15, plus 10 twos are 20, which is equal to minus 8 plus 15. See, let me write here 15 minus 8 plus 15 plus 7 plus 20, which is equal to 15 minus 27. See, this result is going to be negative, which is equal to this 12. Negative 12. Net dividend is negative 12. It means that in the last step we have divided in excess. So let us reduce this quotient 4 by 1 and let us write 3 here. Okay, and at the same time let us increase the value of remainder by value of divisor, which is 10. So 1 plus 10, 11. Now 115. Read these 3 digits as 115. With new gross dividend 115, let us repeat this step. 115 minus negative 2, 2, 5, 3, 10 and 3. Let us calculate cross product and subtract it from 115, which gives us 115 minus 3 twos are minus 6. Correct? Yes. 3 multiplied by minus 2 minus 6 plus 3 5s are 15 plus 10 twos are 20, which gives us 115 minus negative 6 plus 15, that is plus 9. 20. That means 115 minus 29, which is equal to 86. 115 minus 29 is equal to 86. 86 is net dividend. Now let us divide 86. Let us divide 86 by actual divisor 10, and which gives us quotient, of course, 8 and remainder 6. So write quotient 8 and remainder 6. Write quotient 8 and write remainder 6. But where to write? Let us increase 1 0 and let us write 6. Yes, remainder is 6, and we have written remainder 6 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend, which is 0. Now read this as 60, and 60 is next gross dividend. Now we are going to calculate net dividend. So see friends, pause video and write this fourth step. Okay, step number 5. 60 minus negative 2, 2 and 5, and last 3 quotient digits 10, 3 and 8, which gives us 60 minus 8 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 16 plus 10 multiplied by 5, 50 plus 3 2s are 6, which is equal to negative 16. See, let me write here 60 minus negative 16 plus 6 is negative 10 plus 50, which is equal to 60 minus negative 10 plus 50 is 40, which gives us 20. 20 is net dividend. 20 is net dividend, and let us divide 20 by 10. So 20 divided by 10 gives us quotient 2 and remainder 0. So friends, let us write quotient 2 and remainder 0. Let us write quotient 2, and where to write remainder 0? Let us increase 1 0 and write remainder 0 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend, which is also 0, which we just have written. But friends, we have calculated answer up to 3 decimal places already. 1, 2, 3. See, we cannot consider this 2. We cannot consider this 2 because it may not be adjusted to its correct value. Okay, it may not be adjusted to its correct value, because if we calculate net dividend, see, this is gross dividend, and if we calculate net dividend, and net dividend is going to be negative, we know it because this is 0. So at such time we will have to decrease the value of this 2. So I said that this 2 is not adjusted to its correct value. So let us omit this 2, let us exclude this 2, and let us write these 3 decimal places. Now friends, observe this answer. You will find that in this second part from right side there are 2 digits. Okay, there are 2 digits. So let us carry this 1, higher place digit 1, to its immediate left and add 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, let me change color. See, 3 plus 1, 4. Retain 0 in this part only, retain 3, retain 8 and retain 2. Right? Observe this part. See friends, observe this part. Here there were 2 digits. So we transferred extra digit to its immediate left. Here there is 10. It means that in this part we divided in excess. In this part we divided in excess. So we carried this digit 1 to its immediate left. See friends, think and understand. Understand the logic. Okay, we have divided. In this part we have divided in excess. See friends, these are rare cases. It doesn't occur frequently, right? So we have transferred this extra digit, this tens place digit, this higher place digit to its immediate left, and we added this 1 to this previous digit 3, and we got 4. Now friends, let us write final answer. What is final answer? Quotient is 4. Point. See this decimal line. In place of this decimal line, we will write decimal point. Now 0, see, retained digit 0, 3 and 8. This is answer, friend. Fifth example, 378 divided by 4135. Dividend contains 3 digits and divisor contains 4 digits. Let us first write dividend here. 3, 7, 8. And what is divisor? Divisor is 4135. 4135. Let us bifurcate given divisor in 2 parts. This is first part and this is second part. 4 is actual divisor and 135 is flag. There are 3 digits in the flag and there is only 1 digit we are going to use as an actual divisor. See friends, choice is yours. You can make this 41 an actual divisor and 35 a flag. Choice is yours. But if we make 4 an actual divisor, then division process will become easier. Right? So let us write 4 as an actual divisor and write 135, 135 as a flag. See, this is flag. Flag containing 3 digits, 1, 3 and 5, and this is an actual divisor. Right? Now important step, drawing decimal line. How many digits are there in the flag? 1, 2, 3, 3 digits. So let us leave 3 digits from right side and draw decimal line. 1, 2, 3. Let us draw decimal line. Right? Let us write 0 here. See friends, we have drawn decimal line after 3 digits from right side, so that number of the digits in the flag and number of the digits at the right side of this decimal line should be equal. Now let us start actual division process. Step number 1. First digit is 0. Let us write 0 as it is no point in dividing 0. Right? Now step number 1. This digit, first digit 3. Divide 3 by 4. You get quotient 0 and remainder 3. Write quotient 0 below 3 and write remainder 3 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend, which is 7. Now this 37 is gross dividend. 37 is gross dividend. Let us calculate net dividend. But net dividend will be 37 only, because we subtract, for calculating net dividend, we subtract cross product of flag digits and last quotient digits from gross dividend. But last quotient digits are 0 and 0 and 0. Right? So net dividend will be 37 only. Step number 2 is 37 divided by 4 gives us quotient 9 and remainder 1. So write quotient 9 below gross dividend 37 and write remainder 1 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend, which is 8. Now read this as 18, and 18 is next gross dividend. Right? So step number 3. Step number 3 is 18 minus, we are going to calculate net dividend. 18 minus 3 flag digits 0, 0, 9. These are 3 last quotient digits. Calculate cross product and subtract it from 18, which gives us 18 minus 9 ones are 9, 0, 0. Yes, 18 minus 9, 9. 9 is net dividend. 9 is net dividend, and let us divide net dividend 9 by actual divisor 4, which gives us quotient 4 2s are 8, 9 minus 8 is 1. So remainder is 1. So write quotient 2 below gross dividend 18 and write remainder 1 as a prefix. Let us increase 1 0 here. Yes. Write remainder 1 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend, which is 0, which we just have written here. Now gross dividend is 10. Gross dividend is 10. Let us calculate net dividend. Please friends, pause video and write these 3 steps. Yes. Okay. Now fourth step. What is fourth step? Let us use gross dividend 10 to calculate net dividend. Subtract cross product of 3 flag digits 1, 3 and 5 and last 3 quotient digits 0, 9 and 2. 0, 9, 2. Calculate cross product and subtract from 10. 10 minus 2 ones are 2 plus this is 0, 0, 5, 0 plus 9 3s are 27. Right? So 2 plus 27, 29. 10 minus 29, 19. But negative 19. 2 plus 27, 29. 29 minus 10, 19. But negative 19. We don't want net dividend negative. So let us first reduce last quotient digit by 1. So instead 2, write 1 here, and at the same time increase the value of remainder by value of divisor. 1 plus 4, 5. Cancel 1 and write 5. Now gross dividend is 50, and let us repeat same step by using new gross dividend 50. So 50 minus 1, 3, 5, 0, 9, 1 equal to, let us calculate cross product. So 50 minus 1 plus, see, 1, 1, 1, 0, 5, 0 plus 9 3s are 27, which is equal to 1 plus 27, 28. 50 minus 28, 22. 22. 22 is net dividend. Let us divide 22 by actual divisor 4, which gives us quotient 5 and remainder 2. So write quotient 5 and write remainder 2 as a prefix to next digit in the dividend, which we just have written here. But friends, let us stop division process here because we have calculated 3 decimal places. Okay, we will not consider this 5 because this 5 is yet to be adjusted to its correct value. Okay, but let us write, while writing final answer, let us write these 3 digits 0, 9 and 1. Okay, now final answer. Please pause video and write this 4th step. Final answer is Quotient is 0.09 and 1. 0, 9 and 1. This is final answer.